What's up, everyone? Timothy Milamasylum Jr. here, and you're watching Milamasylum. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and share, and hopefully I can earn your subscription. But if not, that's totally fucking cool. Anyways, today I got some more Liquid Death. I found two new products by them. One is Buried Alive, the other is Mango Chainsaw. Murder Your Thirst. The last two products I did, they were just, or the last product that I done was, or the last two, one was a sparkling, one was regular. And for me, they just weren't convenient because they're in cans. So you can't really take them anywhere. But if you're, on a long drive or whatever, that's fine. But as far as like hiking, stuff like that goes, you have to carry it in, you got to carry it back out. There's no cap, unless you buy one of those little inserts type thing, so they're very inconvenient. But they got a cool fucking cool name, cool graphics, and a lot of other people promote them. Steve-O does, and I seen some other person, I can't remember who the fuck it was, also promoted it, just in their videos. Anyways, let's get into it. This ruthless tall boy of flavored sparkling water is armed with agave nectar and natural electrolytes to refresh your body and murder your thirst. 20 calories, 0 fat. So this is carbonated mountain water. Death to plastic. We donate 10% of the profits from every can sold to help kill plastic pollution. Murder your thirst. Alright, let's get into it. It's got a very berry scent to it. Almost a medicine-y type of scent, like an orange, citrusy to it. I wouldn't say that it's berry flavorful. It's very light, like your typical flavored sparkling waters, but overall it's not very good. It's not very pleasant. It's just something to appease your palate a little bit more than just water, but it could have been better. All right, Mango Chainsaw. Now this thing sounds brutal, hardcore as fuck. So let's get crack-a-lackin'. This is also agave and natural electrolytes. So pretty much the same thing. A little less ingredients. I'm not going to read all that bullshit to you. ASMR moment there. Smells just like fucking mangoes. This one's got a little bit more flavor than the berry at all, but it's still light. This one's a little bit more refreshing than the last one. Overall, I like this one better. But as far as these two products go, overall, I'm slapping them with a 7.6 out of 10. So that's your review. I'm Timothy Milamasylum Jr. Until next time, fuck off.